Welcome back to my blog, The Roaming Investor. Today, I want to talk about the one industry that's been rapidly increasing lately. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been a game changer in many industries, automating tasks, improving efficiencies, and enhancing customer experiences. But what are some innovative business ideas that use AI as a tool to create or automate products? In this video, we'll explore 5 exciting business ideas that leverage AI technology to revolutionize industries, learn a few challenges that exist in each topic, and create new opportunities. Before we begin, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to support more content from this channel. Number 1, Chatbots. Create a chatbot that can automate customer service interactions using natural language processing and machine learning. With more and more customer interactions happening online, businesses need a way to provide fast and efficient customer service 24/7. Chatbots powered by AI can automate customer service interactions, providing timely and accurate responses to customers, and freeing up human customer service representatives to focus on more complex issues. Here are some potential use cases. E-commerce companies can use chatbots to help customers find products, track orders, and resolve issues. Healthcare providers can use chatbots to provide medical advice and answer common questions. Financial institutions can use chatbots to help customers with account inquiries and fraud prevention. The chatbot market is expected to grow from $2.6 billion in 2019 to $9.4 billion by 2024, representing a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 29.7%. The estimated earnings for a chatbot development company can range from $10,000 to $150,000 per project. While this idea has the potential to revolutionize its respective industry, it also comes with its own set of challenges. Ensuring that the chatbot is able to provide accurate and helpful responses to customers, as a poorly performing chatbot can negatively impact the customer experience. Another challenge is managing the chatbot's tone and language to ensure that it reflects the brand's values and tone of voice. Number 2, AI recruitment. Finding your next hire just got easier by developing an AI-powered recruitment platform that can sift through resumes, assess candidates' qualifications, and even conduct preliminary interviews using natural language processing. Recruitment can be a time-consuming and expensive process for businesses. Here are some use cases. A technology company uses an AI-powered recruitment platform to identify top software engineers for their development team. A healthcare company uses an AI-powered recruitment platform to identify qualified nurses and doctors for their hospitals. A manufacturing company uses an AI-powered recruitment platform to identify skilled technicians for their production team. The estimated earnings for a recruitment platform can range from $10,000 to $250,000 per project. Although this concept has the potential to transform the industry, there are some potential challenges you'll face. Ensuring that the AI-powered recruitment platform is free from bias and able to assess candidates fairly. Providing support and training for human recruiters who may be resistant to using an AI-powered platform. By using AI to automate resume screening, candidate assessment, and even initial interviews, businesses can save time and money while finding the best candidates for the job. Number 3, predictive maintenance. Build an AI-powered predictive maintenance system that can detect anomalies in machinery and equipment, alerting maintenance teams to potential issues before they cause downtime. Equipment failures and downtime can be costly for businesses. Predictive maintenance systems powered by AI can detect issues early, allowing maintenance teams to address them before they cause downtime or more extensive damage, saving businesses time and money. Here are some potential use cases. A logistics company uses predictive maintenance to monitor their fleet of vehicles and schedule maintenance as needed. A manufacturing company uses predictive maintenance to monitor their production equipment and reduce downtime. An energy company uses predictive maintenance to monitor their turbines and prevent breakdowns. The estimated earnings for a predictive maintenance solution can range from $50,000 to $1 million per project. While this idea could be a game changer for its respective field, it also presents distinct challenges. Ensuring that the predictive maintenance system is integrated with existing equipment and software systems. Addressing false alarms or false positives generated by the system could result in unnecessary maintenance or downtime. Number 4, personalized marketing. Use machine learning to analyze customer data and develop personalized marketing campaigns tailored to each individual's interests and behavior. Customers today expect personalized experiences from businesses. By using AI to analyze customer data, businesses can tailor their marketing campaigns to each individual's interests and behavior, improving customer engagement and loyalty. Here are some use cases. An e-commerce company uses personalized marketing to recommend products based on a customer's browsing and purchase history. A media company uses personalized marketing to suggest articles and videos based on a customer's interests. A healthcare company uses personalized marketing to promote wellness programs and services to patients based on their health history. The potential for industry-altering change is evident in this idea, but it comes with its own set of challenges. Ensuring that customer data is collected and used ethically and with proper consent. Addressing concerns around data privacy and security, as personalized marketing requires collecting and analyzing large amounts of customer data. However, the estimated earnings for a personalized marketing solution can range from $10,000 to $500,000 per project. Number 5. Fraud detection. Develop an AI-powered fraud detection system that can monitor financial transactions and flag any suspicious activity. Fraud can be a significant risk for businesses, both in terms of financial loss and reputational damage. By using AI-powered fraud detection systems, businesses can monitor financial transactions and flag any suspicious activity, protecting themselves and their customers. There are few use cases we can mention. A bank uses fraud detection to identify and prevent credit card fraud. An e-commerce company uses fraud detection to prevent fraudulent transactions and protect their customers' personal information. An insurance company uses fraud detection to identify and prevent fraudulent claims. This idea holds great promise for transforming the industry, but it also faces significant challenges. Ensuring that the fraud detection system is able to accurately detect and flag fraudulent activity without generating false positives that could negatively impact legitimate transactions. Addressing concerns around data privacy and security, as fraud detection requires collecting and analyzing large amounts of customer data. The estimated earnings for a fraud detection solution can range from $50,000 to $1 million per project. It is important to remember that in order to use AI in these businesses or any industry you're more interested in, you would need to identify the business problem you want to solve or the task you want to automate. Choose the appropriate AI algorithms and models to address the problem. Collect and label data to train the AI model. Train the AI model using the labeled data. Deploy the AI model and integrate it into your product or service. Continuously evaluate the performance of the AI model and adjust as necessary. These are just 5 examples of how AI can be used to create innovative businesses that can disrupt industries and change the way we work. By leveraging the power of AI, businesses can automate tasks, improve efficiencies, and enhance customer experiences, leading to increased profitability and success. Let me know in the comments what other AI ideas you think we should add to this list.
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest videos. By doing so, you'll be helping to support the channel and keep us motivated to create more great content for you to enjoy.